Hi friends, today we are going to study the Beware of Prayer from Dieter Hohenbuch. Okay, I will teach you how to play the first line. First of all, hold your hand position properly. Okay, you can play A, open A, D, hold your D, and C, B, A, B, B. First finger. Then G here. No, G. Yes. A. Okay. Then after that, F, G. No, F, G. A, D. D. G, F. D. E, D. No. When you're playing your D string, you keep your right hand